you think about urban living, one of the biggest challenges we face is making the most of limited spaces. In today's world, living in a small space is a reality for many of us, and it requires a great deal of creativity to turn these tiny areas into functional and stylish homes. Clutter, lack of storage, and the struggle to create a functional yet stylish environment are just some of the few common challenges that living in small spaces, can bring for you. It can be overwhelming, especially when you're trying to fit all your belongings into a tiny apartment or studio. You might find yourself wondering, how would you ever be able to fit everything you need, let alone create a space that feels like a home? And then there's the added pressure of making a space look good while you're at it. After all, who doesn't want to impress their friends and family with their beautiful home? From cramped kitchens to tiny bedrooms, every room in your small space presents its own unique set of challenges. In the kitchen, for example, you might struggle to find counter space or storage for your cookware and ingredients. And in the bedroom, you might have to get creative with your furniture arrangement just to fit in everything. It can be frustrating, to say the least, but don't worry, there are solutions out there that can actually help you. One of the biggest misconceptions about small space design is that it's all about sacrificing style for functionality. But the truth is, you don't have to choose between the two. With a little creativity and the right design strategies, you can create a space that is both functional and beautiful. And that's what we're going to explore today. Now let's talk about some innovative design ideas and tips that can help you maximize space. One of my favorite solutions is multifunctional furniture. Think about coffee tables with inbuilt storage or sofas with hidden compartments. Not only do these pieces save space, but they also add an extra layer of functionality to your room. Another solution is clever storage solutions like shelves that fold up against the wall or storage bins that double as decorative pieces. And let's not forget about the power of color and lighting. By using light colors on walls and incorporating Apple lighting, you can create the illusion of a larger space. But what about those tricky corners and nooks that seem impossible to use? That's where clever design comes in. Consider installing a floating shelf or a storage bench in these hard to reach areas and watch your space suddenly open up. And if you're feeling adventurous, why not try your hand on a DIY project like storage headboard or a secret storage compartment? With a little creativity and the right design strategies, even the tiniest of spaces can be turned into a functional and stylish oasis. The key is to think outside the box and to get creative with your space. And let's not be afraid to think big, even in small spaces. The key to small space design is to remember that every inch counts. By incorporating multifunctional furniture, clever storage solutions, and effective use of colors and lighting, you can create a space that is both functional and beautiful. Don't be limited by the size of your space. Instead, let your creativity run wild and turn your tiny space into a design masterpiece. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of small space design. If you're struggling with your own small space challenges, I would love to hear about them in the comments below. And if you're looking for more inspiration, be sure to check out another video on home design tips. You'll never know what spark of creativity you might find. And besides, I have my ebook that I've just launched, 14 Days to Transform Your Space. That would also help you to reform and transform your space, be it small or be it big. All right, and I hope to see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like, to share, and to follow me for more tips. Bye.